ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emmanuela Wali. I am here to start a video, and I have also friends that would like to join me. Yes. They are very talented friends. I have someone here with me. I have enough here with me, and I know you would like to know their name. First, I have here with me. My name is Berry Diali. I have another little one here. You'll be surprised that she's so talented. What about you? You cannot even do common Chinese bending.
My name is Sweet Gabriel.
And I have also one Araboki boy here. I know you will not see her fully, but she's very, very fat and talented. Imagine a football person, a person that is as fat as football, can be able to do splits. Okay, you got to go train.
My name is Gabriel.
I have also another Araboki boy too. He's also talented. Very, very talented.
My name is Benedict.
As you have a very, very fat bonbon. The people that are talented here are very fat. People think it's only slim people that can do something. My dear, even fat people, don't be surprised to see what he's able to do. My name is Joshua. I also have one broomstick here. It's talented, you know. I know you all already know slim people can do something. So don't be surprised that these fat people you have seen, they can do better than the slim people.
Hey, my name is Michael Wild. Thank you. You know I like music.
Excuse me. And here I also have one tiny one here. She's also a lika. Small person, no. She can do something. Imagine you. You that is as big as I don't even know a mountain. You cannot even come and brush your teeth.
My name is Caesar.
Okay, we have seen all of them. Now I will show you what they are capable of doing. I can also do something. I know I might be fat in your eye, I might be slim in your eye. I can do something too. I would like to call on this person.
Who sent you?
What is her name? I would like to call all of them. I will video them. Don't worry, I'll face the camera right in front of them, and you will see how they are going to do their talents. If you want to watch more of my video, call this number or dial this number. You will see my video. 081 57 64 66 56. I repeat, 081 57 64 66 56. Thank you.